I actually battled with what degree I wanted to major in at first because I flip-flopped between graphic design and computer science. But I ultimately settled in mechanical engineering because I really like tinkering with things, like the design behind things, like in everyday life. And I'm also decent at math, so I thought that can really use my skill set. I was working in my family construction business and deciding whether or not that was something I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And during that time, I picked up my first Lego set. I was bored one day, went to the store, got a set, and I thought it was a lot of fun. And it was kind of igniting that creativity that I had deep within me again. And so I just started designing my own stuff as a hobby. A lot of Lego building is trial and error, and I feel like a lot of things in engineering are the same way. You gotta try, you gotta break stuff in order to make it better. And I feel like I've done that several times through Lego. I entered a Lego contest on a website that Lego has called Lego Ideas, where people can submit their designs to maybe get produced as a set in the future. And I wasn't expecting to ever win the grand prize, but a month later I was reached out to, and I won the trip out to Denmark. When I went, I had an amazing time. I got to talk to a lot of designers. I got to kind of see what the culture was like over there, and I kind of fell in love with it a little bit. And when I came back to Boise, I saw they had a job opening for a product designer. I decided to apply, and after several rounds of interviews, I'm here now. So it's kind of like a dream come true. As a kid, you kind of dream of designing toys for a living. For me, that might have not necessarily been Lego, but making toys for a living and playing with toys sounds amazing. And so to achieve everyone's childhood dream is kind of incredible, honestly.